Hi, I'm going to show you how to use my favorite formula, Excel formula called index and match. Index and match is like running a SQL query from multiple tables using equijoin. So worksheets in Excel is like tables in the database. And in Excel, you can put multiple worksheets and then you pull all those data from multiple worksheets into a master worksheets. So I'm going to show you a basic example. I have a master worksheet here and then I have one table. So my goal is I have a name here and the primary key here is the name. So I have a name, 6 names, and then in the table worksheets I have 6 names, their favorite colors, and their favorite numbers. So my objective is to grab those favorite colors and favorite numbers from the table and put it in the master worksheet automatically, dynamically using index and match formula. So, first step is to convert these worksheets into a table. So, put your cursor in any cell in master and then type Control T as in Tom. Okay. Leave the checkbox. My table has headers. Click OK. You will see that it changed the format of the table. That means it's a table. And go to the table worksheet and do the same thing. Control T, click OK. Alright, so the first is I want to grab their favorite color. So I'm going to put color here. And then go to B2 cell. And then in the formula box, equal sign, index, open parenthesis, array, where are the answers? So you go to the table worksheet and its color. Hover your cursor on top of the color header, and then once you see the down arrow key, left click the mouse. Then comma, and then type match. Then comma. I'm gonna match it, and I'm gonna match this name from the master table. Hover again, click, comma, match it with the names in the table. Hover, left click, comma, all right, 0, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Oh, too many parameters. Let's see what happened. I'm going to delete this. Let's see. I'm going to repeat this again. I think something happened. Equal sign, index, open parenthesis, go back to table, left click, color box, and then comma, then match, open parenthesis, match it with the master name, and then comma, over here the name, comma, exact match, close parenthesis, enter. Perfect. Now let's do the color, the number. So number, go to the C2 cell, enter equal sign, index, open parentheses, click on the array. Where are the answers? It's over here. Number column, comma, I want to use the match formula, and then open parentheses. What's the source match? You go to masters, click on the name, and then comma, I want to match it with the name in the table. Click that again, comma, exact match, close parenthesis, enter. Perfect. So now I successfully automatically pull the color and number information. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe to this video and like it. Thank you for watching.